Alright, hey guys. Today I just picked up this Oddball Lasko Box Fan that I have in front of me. This is a 2003 to 04 Lasko. I can't say premium, but it's a Lasko Box Fan model 3725, not 3723. This is a 3725. And for the reason for it to be a 3725 is if I turn around here, turn to the back. Yeah, this fan has an unusual grill behind it, and it's very, very, very unusual. And the reason for this grill is because this had a plastic stand attached to it at one time. And with these fans were weird. Yeah, these had the plastic stand on the back and it would be faced like this, like around this angle right here. If I remember, because I remember seeing one of these on Google one time, and I happened to see the stand for it, and it'll be adjusted like this. And unfortunately, the stand is gone, but you can see parts of the stand still attached to the fan, which yellowed off, unfortunately. But this is really an oddball box fan that Lasko has made, and it has the newer motor into it too, and it has the white fuse plug for being from 2003. You would have thought that this fan was, it would have had the older style motor and the blade set, because it has the older style switch, the red switch. But it's kind of glad to have this fan, because like I said, you don't see any of these at all, especially these weird oddball ones. But other than that, it looks like your average premium box fan, just with a little kick to it. Well, kickstand that's not here anymore. But without further ado, I want to start this fan up on high. And for this airflow, it's pretty good, but I'll start it up once I can get the knob on. There we go. Blows out some decent air. Pretty good air too. This fan kind of sounds like the premium models that were made in the later 2000s, the early 2010s. On medium, but it's way powerful than the ones that were made in the late 2000s. That's for sure. I wish they made them like this later, in the late 2000s and so on. But it's unfortunate. It's unfortunate how cheap they became. Quiet on low. And one thing that's bothering me a lot with this fan is that the hub shakes so bad. Yeah. I don't know why it's doing that, but that's Lasko for you. And it's causing the fan to shake a little bit. not by too much, but I don't know, that just gives me the anxiety looking a little bit. But overall, it's holding up. It's holding up pretty well. Back to medium. And high. Overall, this fan is pretty powerful for what it is, especially from being from 2003, which I thought that this fan was like later, like would be made later, like 2004 to 5-ish. But it's crazy how they just started to use the regular pedal blade that they use on every fan now, on every premium model now, back in 2003. But hey, you learn new things every day. And then also, I forgot to mention the knob and the handle's missing. But I think I have a knob for this fan, so I don't know. I'll probably find it. But I thank y'all for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Especially if I encounter some oddball fans. I don't know when that'll be. And maybe the streak might have just started, but Lord knows. But thank y'all for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.